RBI has raised caution on the misuse of internal accounts in certain banks. RBI said that many of banks' internal accounts are being misused for fraud. What are these accounts and why is RBI concerned? Let's find out. The central bank, the Reserve Bank of India, has raised concerns over the misuse of internal accounts in some banks. Inspections carried out by the RBI revealed that some banks opened lakhs of internal accounts with no valid reason. What are internal accounts? Well, these are accounts which are not meant for customers like you or me or any external transactions. So they are not your average customer bank accounts. They are opened for operational efficiency. Internal accounts are also used to manage a bank's liquidity, track fee income, and to monitor certain activities. RBI says that some of these internal accounts are being used for fraudulent transactions and for evergreening of loan accounts. Now, evergreening of loan is a form of zombie lending. It is a practice of extending new or additional loans to a borrower who's unable to repay the existing loans, thereby concealing the true status of the non-performing assets or bad loans. Now, this makes internal accounts a very high risk in nature given their potential for misuse. RBI has now taken a step against the misuse, asking chief financial officers of these banks in question to close all unnecessary bank accounts. RBI has also asked CFOs to rationalize these accounts and bring them down to the essential minimum number. Now remember, RBI Governor Shaktikanta Das had earlier flagged the issue of rising mule accounts or illegal accounts during his interactions with bank chiefs earlier this month and had asked them to curb digital frauds. RBI seems to be now finally nipping the issue in the bud. RBI Deputy Governor Swaminathan J has urged CFOs to invest in technology and data analytics to empower them to provide more accurate and real-time financial insights, to exercise greater control through periodic reconciliation and proper reporting to Audit Committee of the Board. Swaminathan said that CFOs must protect the integrity of financial reporting by guarding against misadventure or intelligent interpretation of regulation or accounting standards. Now remember, back in September of 2019, RBI had told lenders or banks to conduct an internal appraisal of such accounts which might have been used to hide bad loans through evergreening, where fund lies in an internal account for a few days before being actually credited to the real beneficiary. Now, the central bank had said that these funds in such a transitory phase are at an internal risk of being misused by a bank manager to fund unauthorized overdrafts. Now, this was said in 2019. Today, the central bank is now finally taking action on these internal accounts.